Hello friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with this month's Open Collab, co-hosted by Susan Hiles Art, Susan from Susan Hiles Art, and myself, Turquoise Dreaming. So welcome, and let me tell you about the collab this month. It's going to be super fun. It's going to be all about clusters, and the hashtag is going to be hashtag spring clusters. Let me show you right here in red if you can't see it. Let me hold it a little closer there. And all you do, if you're not familiar with hashtags, is you use the pound sign and run your words all together in lowercase and you are good to go. When you search that, if you put it in the search bar, all of our videos will show up, right? So don't forget and put that in your title, or in your Instagram post. So like I said, it's me from Turquoise Dreaming and Susan from Susan Hiles Art, who are the co-hosts. And all you have to do if you want to participate, just post a video on, the prompt dates or the collab dates and or Instagram post and tag us so we can find you. That'll help us find you, but also use the hashtag in your Instagram post. If you tag us, we will get a notification. At least that's how I usually find people that have done one of our collabs. I get a little notification. I'm like, okay, it's super easy. So make sure you're a subscriber to Susan and my channels, and let one of us know, and we'll let each other know, and we'll make a list under both of our videos in our description boxes of all the participants' channels. So, and just like I said, make sure you use that hashtag. And I think that's it, but I'm going to tell you now about the dates and what kind of clusters we're going to make, right? I wanted to show you real quick. I did participate in Susan's, I wasn't a co-host, but I participated in Susan's last cluster collab. I think last, maybe fall, was it? November, October, something like that. But it was super fun. She had some awesome prompts. And here are some of my clusters. And I always thought of clusters as little small things, right? But as I learned in Susan's last collab, you can make a cluster any size you want. So like here's one. I wouldn't say this was small, but I wouldn't call it large, so kind of medium. I've got a little gem there in the middle. And then here's a little one here. This is a smaller one, so I would say that one is small. And then I've got some more medium-sized ones here. This one, here's another small one. This one has a little button. Those both had a button. This one's pretty. See, these involved fabric and little pieces of different kinds of fabric and things on this one. This one's all paper. This is another medium-sized one. I think this was the time one that involves something with, you were supposed to put something with time on there, so I have a little clock right here with a hand. So that's a little medium one, kind of like vintagey and distressed. And then here's a large one right here. I've used quite a few of my clusters, but I still have these that I haven't used yet. But isn't that pretty? Fabric and some trim and a little photo there, a little vintage photo. And then I think this might have been one too. Maybe I did this with a time one. This is, just a doily over some file folder that has something. I see a little bit of a pattern under there. And then this one also has a little clock hand on it, and it says our lifetime on there. So super, you can have a lot of fun with clusters. And if you're working on a project, maybe you want to make some to go with your project. But let me tell you about the prompts. So this coming Friday, which is next week on the 13th, the prompt is monochromatic, the same color in different shades with a pop of one other color. So that sounds like a lot of fun. I can't wait to do that one. And then the next week is I'm going to say who doesn't like flowers, because the next week on the 20th is flowers. And so, just pile on the flowers on a cluster. That'll be fun, right? If you like flowers, and who doesn't? And the next week, May 27th, the last Friday in May, the prompt is geometric. And And it says, oh yes, geometric, with a little smiley face there. So that is going to be fun. I'm going to have to watch Susan's announcement video and see if she gives us an example of geometric. I am picturing something, but I don't know exactly what I'm picturing right now for geometric. I'm picturing something though. And the flowers, I think that could be a fun, an easy one, because we all love flowers. And then the monochromatic, I have something already in mind for that too. As I'm reading this, I'm just thinking in my head at the same time what I might do. So yeah, just let one of us know and we'll add you to both of our description boxes. And then this whole little list here, pretty much the whole thing will be in our description boxes in case you need a review and go back and look and remind yourself what the prompts are from week to week. And the rules will be there so you can make sure you check off all those, make sure all those are done. And we'll see you on Friday. So thanks for watching today, and pop over and watch Susan's video because I'm sure she has an awesome announcement and she will also explain the different prompts maybe in a different way than I did. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.